welcome back to my channel. I'm Court Love, and for all that is new to my channel, welcome. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below to tell me how you like this video. So I am back with another hair review from an Amazon company. Its name is Disfexo Hair. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm probably messing it up, but all the details of this wig will be in my description bar below. So I'm just gonna hop right into this mini hair tutorial and how I installed it and got this look to it. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching. So it comes with 4 clips surrounding right here, and then it comes with 2 combs right here and a comb in the very back. And this is what it's look like. So I'm about to put it on now. Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just make alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things perfectly with my hair texture. It's cute, I love it. I ain't do my edges, but I'm gonna weigh it down for right now. But if you want to do your edges, you can. I just wanted it to be real quick. But yeah, this is cute. Like, I look like, girl, I done grew some inches or something. But yeah, this is 16-inch. So that's how it looks on me. I love it. It's cute and it blends so well with my hair. Girl, I look like I got a little sewing or something. Yes. Girl, I love it. I like this. It's real cute. And I ain't put no product in it or nothing. It's just, you know. Yes. Yes, honey. I love it. It's cute. Girl, yes, this is cute. And if you want to pull it back, yes, girl. Oh, I forgot this mine. Thinking it's the damn wig. Yes, girl, this is cute. Girl, I am feeling myself. Girl, I love this. It's cute. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care.